Practicality, while often looked down upon, it's not for everyone. It's a choice, a smart one. Less is better. Simplicity is different. Different is new. It's not compromising, it's balance. It's knowing who you are, what you want. It's thinking real, big, small, fancy, simple. It doesn't really matter. What really matters are the details, the priceless ones, the moments, the ones that liberate you, the ones that make a dull road feel like a getaway, a house feel like a home, a sky full of stars, your midnight canvas, a breathtaking view, an everyday view. Because practically speaking, who needs to impress when you've got the things that really matter?